Hello you wonderful fine people. So today's just a quick one, and it's how to not get scammed, which is kind of important sometimes if you like your money or your identity, but usually it comes down to money. I'm still not on the bike. Bike's fine, by the way, it's just my camera got a bit waterlogged, so I should be sorting one out pretty soon. So maybe this is the last video of this kind, maybe I'll do more, I don't know. Anyway, on to today's topic. So, scams are usually pretty easy to notice. They're going to address you as dear customer or user or something like that. So if you get one of the PayPal or your bank emails, it says dear user or dear customer, it's probably fraudulent, because I know in my bank they include like the last bit of my my postcode, so it'd be like 1FG or something. That's not my postcode, by the way, but you get the point. And yeah, it's pretty simple really. So yeah, that's how you notice email ones. And also the email address is going to be off, because PayPal, big banks, unless you're dealing with a really small company, they're always going to have their web servers, or usually they're going to have their web servers. And there are other things as well. So another one as well would be Another one as well would be the phone scams. So basically they're going to phone you up. Big one going around at the moment is from Amazon Prime, and it says something like, you've been charged $79.99. Now obviously they're trying to make that out to be that it's a year's subscription. Sneaky little thing, the year's subscription is still £79, so I don't know where they got the 99p from. Maybe they just want a little bit more from each customer that falls for them. Now I actually have Amazon Prime, and I pay it monthly, so that kind of doesn't work with me, because I've already paid it and it's a service I use. I guess if you had a little old dear, she might fall for it and press 1 and you get scammed out of money basically. So I mean, maybe this is the thing as well. If you've got those older relatives, point them in the way of, knowing about scams, knowing that, not everything is happy-dory, sort of nice and, happy. There are people out there that want your money, and, to a lesser extent, your identity. And I'll leave you with this one. So, those are two fairly serious ones I'm going to sort of come down. You see these scams going around, well, they don't look like scams, they look like competitions. They're on Facebook like, 1,000 Flyker will win a all-inclusive paid, Ryanair trip to Bosnia or something. Or, Stefan won our competition yesterday, but apparently Stefan is under 15, so it has to go again. Get their scams. If you actually click on the page, look down for page transparency, 9 times out of 10 you can see that they were set up a few days ago, and for the ones that weren't set up a few days ago, they'll have been called something else. So one I was looking at, it was for like Thomas Cook, and I think it was Thomas Cook anyway, it doesn't matter, but it had been set up in the August the previous year as Subway. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't think Subway and Thomas Cook share a Facebook page. Anyway, that's been me, you've been you. Stay awesome, and I'll catch you next time. Adios.